Hey guys, this is Johnny K23 here, and today I'm going to be doing a Five Nights at Freddy's plush collection, as you can see by the title. Sorry if I cough, I'm not really feeling that good, but I just thought I'd make this quick video. It's not going to be too long, I don't have much, but I still have a lot at the same time. Anyway, just a disclaimer, I don't have every plushie, I don't have all the exclusives. I think the only exclusive I have is Bonnet, and that's it. Anyway, so here we have Freddy, normal old Freddy. What? Yeah, that's just Freddy. Here we have one of my latest plushies I got, Bonnie. So we found this guy on eBay. I thought it might have been a fake, so we bought it. And if it was a fake, we would have I don't know. But he got a cute tail and a cute. See, there's cough one. These cute little bunny eyes and this cute. Alright, so next I have this. Oh my God, what is that thing? Ah, it looks so just terrifying and ugly as crap. It doesn't even look cute. Here, hold on, let me fix this. No, that's not gonna work. Funko, what did you do? What did you create? Then we have the first plushie I ever got. Back when Wave 1 had started, I got Boxy. Not much about him. Now let me go do something. Hold on. Hi. What? Alright, sorry about that. I'm back. And then, yeah. I am sorry about that. I had to go do something. Alright, so the next one I have God, I might as well just restart, but I'm so sorry. Next one I have here is Mangle. Yes, I am calling it Mangle. Call it whatever you want to call it. It is your plush. You get to call it whatever you want to call it. I'm calling mine Mangle. Don't be rude in the comments. God, I'm so sorry. Alright, I forgot this guy. Cupcake. He was like the third plushie I got. No. Springtrap was the third one. And then it was Puppet. Anyway. Next I have Puppet. Normal Puppet. I don't know why they didn't, look what they did for Ennard. That would have made more sense on him. Well, her. Genderless, how about that? Alright. Time to go on to the next one. Springtrap. I'm putting him over there because these people don't like him. I'm sorry. I'm gonna keep saying that. So then we have my nephew's Nightmare Freddy. I'm calling him Bean. And this is Don. Or what? I don't know what it should call them. Give me name suggestions for My Nightmare Freddy, and that's Bean. Alright, so now we got to move on to... Wait, nope. We still have Nightmare Foxy. AKA SB. And then, the next wave I have a lot of are... I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. I'm so sorry about that. Alright, I am so sorry. Alright, so the next one I have here is Baby. And then we got Laura. Hold on. Yeah, that's Laura. Then we got Funtime Freddy, Funtime Foxy. Not Funtime Freddy. Funtime Freddy. And then we got Anyard. And then over here, right there, we got Lobit. He is a cool character. Yes, mine is a he. Just like Five Nights at Freddy's. If you don't know who that is, go check him out. And then we got Transgender Bon. That was not meant to be a joke, I'm being serious. Anyway. And then we got this guy, Steve, Shadow Foxy, Cotton, and then there's one more. I gotta go find that one. I'm not professional. Alright guys, sorry about that. I cannot find the green cupcake, but green cupcake is Garl. Anyway, I have to finish this video. I will see you all later. That is the whole collection. I will see you all in the next video. Peace.